It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 10th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A pretty wild evening of weather here in the valley last night. Some strong gusty winds, blowing dust, rain, thunder, locally heavy rain actually in some spots, but it's going to be winding down this morning and the sun returns. Much cooler temperatures today and tomorrow. When might our next chance of rain come? Well, let's talk about it as we get out there and take a look at the stats from yesterday. 80 degrees, the high in the valley yesterday. Man, it was pretty toasty. Our low of 54 came last night with the rain. 1/1600ths of an inch of rain. That fell before midnight. There's been about 500ths of an inch or so after midnight, so our storm total just over 2/10ths of an inch now. And outside this morning here, just after 6 a.m., we are under mostly cloudy skies, and we're starting out at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 50, humidity 94%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning, most of us are in the 50s at this hour. Here's the radar. Took this about 2 minutes before I started this video, and that's showing some light showers still across south central Arizona. The heavier rain is now off to the east. Still some isolated showers will be possible through the morning hours. The water vapor satellite view shows the area of low pressure responsible for this weather right on top of us this morning. And on the watch warning map, some winter weather advisories still around Flagstaff, but most of that action off to the east across New Mexico, West Texas. Winter storm warnings extend from Montana out into the Plains states today. They're going to be seeing some pretty heavy snows in parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota in coming days. Dense fog advisories on the Texas coast and in parts of the Midwest. Convective outlook for today. No severe weather anticipated, but some thunderstorms possible, certainly from eastern New Mexico out into the central plains. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. This is counting what we're already getting this morning. So still a few hundredths of an inch may be possible here across parts of Maricopa County, but for the most part, no additional rainfall is expected for the next 7 days. And we'll talk about why that is now as we go to the models and check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper chart at 18,000 feet. That area of low pressure moving off into the plain states today. A dry northwest flow behind it. We'll see some clouds around this morning. Some widely scattered showers still possible until early afternoon. Highs today in the valley will be much cooler. We'll be in the low and middle 60s. And some breezes at times as well. Tonight, becoming mostly clear and much cooler. Lows upper 30s in the cool spots, mid 40s in the mid-city. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, highs upper 60s. Friday, ridging builds back in. We should be in the low 70s. Saturday, troughing passing well to the north of Arizona this weekend should give us some increase in high clouds, but overall, it's not going to hamper our temperatures with highs in the low and middle 70s both Saturday and Sunday. Monday, mostly sunny, low and mid-70s. Tuesday, partly cloudy, low and mid-70s. This is a week from today. Wednesday, the 17th of January, another trough heading for the Pacific Northwest coast. A mainly westerly flow around here with perhaps some little short waves going through from time to time, bringing us periods of clouds, but otherwise, high temperatures will still be well above average. We should be in the low and mid-70s. This is Thursday, the 18th, troughing well north of Arizona. And a westerly flow. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Friday the 19th, a pretty laminar sort of zonal flow, fast-moving westerly flow. So periods of clouds certainly will be possible. The latter part of next week, we'll see a lot of high clouds around here. But otherwise, temperatures will slowly fall back a little bit closer to average, upper 60s to about 70 or so. Lows during this period, primarily in the 40s to about 50. We check the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble. That confirms very nicely with highs, again, well above average, around 8 to 10 degrees above average or so through the period, and 70s, maybe even getting close to 80 at times, and lows in the 40s to about 50. And that is going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning, and if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and enjoy the rain if you can. And we'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.